Okay, here we go. We are gonna go hunting today. Maybe we can get a couple shots on camera. Okay, here we go. We're walking out to our secret spot right now. See, look at my chickens. They're just petting their way down there. Okay, we're gonna sit down here and I'm gonna try to shoot anything that comes by. As you can hear, there's birds in the background. They're fighting, I think. Oh, here comes a blackbird, so let's be quiet. I did see two birds down there, but this one flew off, so I'm not for sure where, but yeah, I just took one shot at one. He's still going, so maybe I can't get my gun back. I gotta put my scope game down. Sorry about all the jiggling. Okay. Let's see number. we land on top of this barn, but it might just scare me away. Well, let's just sneak on the front and we'll try to get a shot on one of my other secret spots. See, I got 3 secret spots around here, and they're nice. That one right. Okay, wait, you flew away. So I can't show you now. The last time I got some hunting film on camera, this is where we shot that other bird. I got him again. Flew away. Well, better not so. Better luck next time. That was pretty cool. So if he just died right here. You guys see him? So, plus I don't have my glasses on. Huh. Guess that was a bummer. Well, I hit one. I hate wounding birds, but just part of hunting, I guess. And I'm not trying to sound cruel. I'm just saying. You always lose a kill every now and then, but if you do it every day just to wound them, just to kill them, or just to wound them, you don't even try. That's pretty cruel. I mean, I don't want to give you a speech about cruelness, but, well, I guess this movie's over, or this video's over, so. Okay, see you later.